Lily's Big School Adventure. Once upon a time, there was a happy girl named Lily. She was 7 years old. Lily had beautiful blue eyes and a big, bright smile. She loved to laugh and play with her friends. Every day was an adventure for Lily. One sunny morning, Lily's teacher, Mrs. Green, said, "Today is a special day. We are going on a school trip to the zoo." Lily's eyes sparkled with excitement. She loved animals and could not wait to see them. Lily put on her favorite yellow dress and her blue hat. She packed her backpack with a water bottle, a snack, and her little camera. She was ready for her big adventure. She met her friends at the school gate. Everyone was excited and chatting. The school bus arrived and all the children got on. Lily sat by the window and looked out at the trees and houses. The bus drove through the city and soon arrived at the zoo. Lily and her friends jumped off the bus and ran to the entrance. At the zoo, they saw a big sign that said, "Welcome to the zoo." Lily took a deep breath and smiled. She was ready to explore. Mrs. Green told the children to stay together and follow her. First, they went to see the lions. The lions were sleeping under a tree. Lily saw their big golden manes and their strong paws. One lion woke up and stretched. It was very big and strong. Lily thought the lion was very cool. She took a picture with her camera. Next, they visited the penguins. The penguins were swimming and sliding on the ice. Lily laughed as she watched them waddle around. One penguin slid right into the water and did a funny dive. Lily took more pictures and felt very happy. After that, they went to see the monkeys. The monkeys were jumping from branch to branch and making funny faces. One monkey swung down and grabbed a banana. It danced with the banana and made everyone laugh. Lily tried to mimic the monkey's dance. It was very funny. Lily and her friends then went to the giraffe area. The giraffes were eating leaves from tall trees. Their necks were very long. Lily tried to reach a leaf but was too short. She smiled and said, "Hello, giraffes." The giraffes looked at her with their big eyes. Lunchtime came, and Lily and her friends sat on the grass. They had sandwiches, fruit, and juice. Lily shared her apple with a little bird that came close. The bird sang a happy song, and Lily felt very good inside. In the afternoon, Lily and her class went to the zoo's playground. They climbed on the jungle gym and swung on the swings. Lily played with her friends and laughed a lot. She felt like a monkey swinging high in the air. Before leaving the zoo, Lily visited the gift shop. She bought a small stuffed penguin toy to remember her day. Lily loved her new toy and hugged it tight. She thanked the zoo and said goodbye to the animals. Back at school, Lily's mum was waiting for her. Lily told her mum all about the animals she saw. She showed her the pictures she took and the little penguin toy. Her mum smiled and was happy to hear about the fun day. That night, Lily went to bed with a big smile on her face. She dreamed of lions, penguins, and monkeys. She was excited about her next adventure. The next day at school, Lily shared her adventure with her classmates. They listened with big smiles and asked many questions. Lily felt proud and happy to tell her story. Every day at school was fun for Lily. She loved her friends, her teacher, and all the exciting things they did. She was always ready for a new adventure. One day, Mrs. Green announced, "We are going to have a school play. Each of you will have a special role." Lily was thrilled. She loved acting and could not wait to be in the play. Lily's role was a fairy. She wore a sparkly dress and wings. She practiced her lines and dances with her friends. The play was about a magical forest with fairies, talking animals, and adventures. Lily worked very hard and enjoyed every moment. The day of the play arrived. Lily was nervous but excited. She put on her fairy costume and did her makeup. When it was her turn to go on stage, she felt a bit scared, but also brave. She remembered all her practice and gave her best performance. The audience clapped and cheered. Lily felt very proud. After the play, her friends and family congratulated her. They said she did a great job. Lily was happy and thanked everyone for their support. As the weeks went by, Lily continued to have fun at school. She loved learning new things, playing with her friends, and going on new adventures. Each day was a new opportunity for excitement and joy. One day, Lily's teacher announced, "We are going to have a science fair next week. You can make a project and share it with everyone." Lily was excited. She loved science and had many ideas. Lily decided to make a project about the solar system. She made a big poster with the sun, planets, and stars. She used colorful paper and glitter to make it look beautiful. She practiced explaining her project to her friends and family. On the day of the science fair, Lily set up her project and waited for people to come. Many students and parents stopped by her display. Lily explained each planet and talked about the solar system. Everyone was impressed and asked many questions. At the end of the fair, Mrs. Green announced, "Lily did a fantastic job on her science project." Lily felt very happy and proud. She thanked everyone for their kind words. As the school year went on, Lily continued to enjoy all the activities and adventures. She made new friends, learned new things, and had lots of fun. Each day was filled with joy and excitement. One sunny afternoon, Lily and her class went on another trip. This time, they visited a farm. Lily saw cows, chickens, and horses. She fed the chickens and rode a horse for the first time. It was a new adventure, and Lily loved it. At the farm, Lily learned how food is grown and where it comes from. She saw how farmers take care of animals and plants. It was an interesting and fun day. When Lily returned to school, she wrote about her farm trip in her journal. She drew pictures of the animals and shared her experiences with her classmates. They all enjoyed hearing about the farm. Lily's school year was full of exciting events and learning experiences. She enjoyed every moment and looked forward to new adventures. She loved going to school, spending time with her friends, and making new memories. As the school year came to an end, Lily reflected on all the fun she had. She felt grateful for her teacher, her friends, and all the wonderful experiences. She knew that every adventure made her happy and helped her grow, and so Lily's days were filled with joy, laughter, and exciting adventures. She couldn't wait for the next chapter in her life and all the new adventures that awaited her. The end. Thank you for listening. I would be happy if you like and follow.